Kilator, tinubog na po ang Mr. So, itong sa kanya ko Mr. Alvin. Tiasa, konti na tawag.
Foul! Grabe, may foul rep!
Ano si Konti? Ano na? Nakuha na siya.
Nice one!
Number 8.
Tayo yung nagmay ba?
Uy!
May yung awit mo.
Mr. Miller, si Morris and people line.
Wala ko man. Wala ko man.
Mr. Shady Boy, first team foul. It's a 1 point by Mr. Me. 50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Vina. Punta na niya po lagi kuha ni Mr. Kilator. Chance ay, na-steal na para Mr. Suarez.
Yeah, labaw, labaw ah.
Mr. Patrick. Muna po, Mr. Suarez na Mr. Pipi na attempt po si Richard Lugo. 5 minutes, 15 seconds, Mr. Kilator to Mr. Uy. To Mr. Sorry. Mr. Sorry to Mr. Kilator, 15 seconds to shoot Kilator na tayo. It's a new one, Mr. Suarez Patrick. Mr. Suarez na po. This is our third. For this game. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, Mr. Uy.
Pila ka time out? Pila ka time out? Dua? Dua dan. Okay.
50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sorry. 5 seconds to shoot. Substitution.
Hinigintingo ko 5 seconds na tayo. Ice cream.
5 seconds.
Mungol. Wala tunggan ng 5 seconds.
Sorry.
Dili kay basta palubat, ingana dili kay basta palubat. Basta palubat.
Ang score is 39-21. Mr. Coyle. Give the ball to Mr. Alvinia. Mr. Alvinia to the ball. Ipasa kay Mr. Langkong Paglaton. 15 seconds to shoot. And it's a move na kuha ni Mr. Harry Olne. In 4 minutes, 5 seconds, Mr. Suarez.
Pas.
4 minutes of the clock. Costa. 15 seconds to shoot. Mr. Harry Olne.
Balik lang, kilap. Grabe nga.
Uy, 3 minutes 52
Paglap sa diri oh,
seconds.
nagtanaw man tagdula.
To Mr. Kinato. To Mr. Uy. 50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Uy. Attack for 2. And it's a 2 points,
Ito ka,
Mr.
Ring-Ring?
Uy.
Udi agi ka dito. Yeah, agi ato daw siya dito.
Pas ula,
Ato dito agi.
Lehap lang kuan. Aya.
50 seconds to shoot.
Oy Pito, natulon.
10 seconds to shoot, Mr. Maynard Suarez. Pasa sa ilalim niya po. Mr. Acosta, no good. In 3 minutes, 22 seconds, Mr. Pilato. Give the ball. Ipasa kay Mr. Soria. In 3 minutes, 50 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes, 10 seconds.
Eh, gamay ra labaw. Ay, gansa.
50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Villegas to Mr. Patrick. 10 seconds to shoot.
Kalape!
Ay!
Oh.
Dikas kitawagan.
10, 9, sorry sir. Acosta. First result, first team foul. 2 minutes, 50 seconds, Mr. Uy. 15 seconds to shoot. 1-1 by friends. 10 seconds to shoot. And score. Number 9, Acosta. Second personal foul, second team foul. 2 minutes, 37 seconds. Ipasok ini sa payahan. 10 and 13.
Jen!
2 minutes, 25 seconds, Mr. Lee. Pero 15 seconds to shoot.
Uy, freak. Salamat sa pag-save sa akong kuya.
18, Sorilla.
Ay!
18, not much of Second personal second team foul. 2 minutes 15 seconds, Mr. Lee. Again.
Ligyas kay diha oh. Ilalom.
Ito ganyan ako, happy naman.
Mr. Villegas. Di
Pero,
Uy.
alam mo ito nga.
15 seconds to shoot. 2
Yay!
3 seconds. Mr. Suarez. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points, Mr. Lima. 140 seconds. Uy. Seconds to shoot, Mr. Kalahan. Nakuha ni Mr. Pepe Arione in 1 minute 25 seconds. Ipasa ko ni Mr. Menezes.
Nice one!
Foul once again, number 10, Sorilla. Push it up. Third personal foul, third team foul in 1 minute 23 seconds. 1 minuto 23 segundos. Mr. Maynard for the free throw line. Scores 25-29. That's a whopping. Time out ang team. GCD Expo. 1 minute 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, Mr. Kilato.
Hey! We need to help! We need to help!
10 seconds to shoot, Mr. Kilato. At 10 is a logo na one, Mr. Arione, and 1 minute 4 seconds, Mr. Suarez. 1 minute to the clock. 15 seconds to shoot, 55 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot, 50 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Attempt to shoot Villegas, no good. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Villegas. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. 14 seconds. No good. No more shot clock. 10. 5.
Pinitin mo!